This tile leveling system is absolutely amazing. I mean, look how easy it is to make it perfect. All you have to do is twist these little tops on and it's done. For someone who hasn't done any tiling, it can be a little bit intimidating, but I'm here to help you out with that. I've gotten so many questions about, well, how did these tiling leveling systems even work? And understandably, the most common question is, well, isn't that going to lead some sort of void underneath the tile? So instead of me just answering that, I'm going to show you. Once these are all connected, you can see how it's tightened down on the top there, and then we can sneak around, look at the bottom here, and it's just this tiny little foot that holds up between the two. So now that we kind of have a visual idea of how they work, now we're going to move up to the live mock-up. So let's start by slinging some mud. We're going to be putting some mud on actual glass so you can see top and bottom. This bottom piece of plexiglass is going to represent our substrate. So we're just going to use our trowel and we're going to put our ridges down. As you can imagine, that feels a little bit different than your average substrate. Overall, I think it went on pretty well though. Now the next good practice step is to back butter. What that means is you actually butter the back of your tile. You put a thin layer of mud on there and then you can just apply it. This guarantees 100% product transfer. Because for the reason that this video is even a thing, we want to make sure there are no air pockets. All right, now that we have that first tile down, now we can actually stick these little spacers in underneath the tile. Now that we have those spacers in, we're going to back butter the next piece and drop it on. So now that we have it into the mud, we can kind of move it around a little bit, make sure we have it exactly where we want. We're going to use this spacer to show you that there is, in fact, a little lip there. And for the sake of this conversation, we're just going to throw in another piece over there. Here's a close-up of the imperfection between the two tiles. You can tell there's a little bit of a lip there. So now we're going to tighten down the cap. I'm not going to lie, I questioned if that was going to break or not. All right, for the moment of truth, did it create any air pockets? One of the things you have to keep in mind with these leveling systems is that if you have the tile that's sitting next to the one you just placed and it's a whole tile thickness higher than the one next to it, then yes, you do have some sort of issues you need to work out. And these leveling systems are not meant to fix those kinds of imperfections. Their main purpose is to fix lippage.